Number one, kaya nila withdraw ang kanilang support kay Bangag. Weak governance, political turmoil, and corruption that will lead to people power to remove him from power if he will not resign, including all his cronies. Number two, threat of public safety and security upon return of drug trafficking and other criminalities all over the country. Number three reason, defective democracy and Philippines' damaged credibility of appointees, elected and corrupt officials with the eyes of cheated Filipino people taxpayers. Number four, the presidency that will be bad news to the international community. And lastly, forgotten federalism agenda is dead while ancient Royal Federation clamoring decolonization of Mindanao, Sulu over experimental BARM region, and after Supreme Court declared Sulu not a part of BARM organization. Ayan, ang sabi dito. Actually, ano na pala ito eh. Noon pa pala ito, September 21st pa, nag-declare na sila ng withdraw ng support kaya Bangag Jr. Ayaw, marami pa, no? Attorney Glenn, Attorney Harry, ang mag-declare ng kanilang withdraw ng kanilang support kay Bangag.
Alam mo, ang importansya dyan, napakadaming boto rin nakuha ni Bangag dahil nga kay Inday Sara, no, na-deliver ni Inday Sara ang boto ng Visayas at Mindanao. Pero kung ganong karami ang bumoto kay Bangag, ang dami rin ngayon umaamin na ng budol sila, no, gaya natin, no. Nangunguna na tayo doon sa pag-amin na tayo ng budol, no. So napakabilis na nawala yung kanyang base of support dahil nakikita natin, no,